The Grow a Star Ignite Young Stars program is a unique and powerful way for your organisation to give back to the community. Poverty and extreme housing stress presents real barriers for families struggling to provide extracurricular activities for their kids. In households where money is tight, young people often miss out on the opportunities that others take for granted. The Grow a Star program helps remove those barriers by funding specialist lessons or coaching, paying registration fees, as well as purchasing school equipment, musical instruments and school supplies. By investing $10,000 in one of our educational, sporting, musical or artistic support packages, you will be helping young people experiencing disadvantage to overcome the obstacles that are preventing them from following their dreams. It provides opportunities for young people to be more engaged in their community, to feel empowered with the potential to achieve some real goals and aspirations. Contact Michelle Faithful, Events and Partnerships Manager, or visit Grow a Star to learn more about the Ignite Young Stars program.